What's up, guys? Welcome here at the hot box of the NugSmasher factory. I'm here with the NugSmasher Pro Touch. We're going to use a 90 micron NugSmasher 14 gram bag. Okay, so we're just going to use the front screen. It has all the programs in there. 14 gram bag, which is the size here that we have now loaded. Then we're going to do it for 2 minutes, and it's already set to 207 degrees. We're going to go over here and do 680 material PSI. And at this point, we're just going to make sure that the gauge is closed here. The release valve, we're going to make sure that our plates are the height of the actual bag, which we'll lower here. Touch. Slip our parchment paper in. Slide the bag right in right after. It'll hold the parchment in for us. I want to make sure the bag's standing upright. Okay. Now on the Pro Touch, you have a release knob on the right that releases the plates, the pressure of the plates, and then you have a air actuated, pneumatically actuated joystick down here. And on the left side of the joystick, you have the air inlet that lets air in, the amount of air in. So you can control how fast the plates will go and even the pressure that goes up. And then on this side, you have a relief valve that actually is an exhaust relief valve. So it expunges the extra air pressure at the exact time that you pull back on the joystick and stop. It doesn't continue to go that extra cycle. So with that said, we're just gonna go until our actual pressure reaches 680. And you'll notice I'll be turning in on the screw on the air inlet over here on my left. As I go up to slow the actual speed down of the Pro Touch. You want to make sure that it's coming down with an accordion effect. It's upright, not laying down, because that changes the surface area quite a bit. See how we can speed it up or slow it down. I want to reach the pressure real slow. I don't want anything drastic happening, especially with flour that's a little dry. That's nice. A little OG Kush. Better put a little lip on it. That's nice. All I'm doing is maintaining these two numbers so that the bottom number is close to what the top is. And we're doing it for the time that the timer's clicking off there. Let us know at the end. And all this is just solventless rosin, guys. Ready to go. This machine's capability comfortably does 4 to 6 of these bags on a plate at a time. So you can run through a lot of product this way and do it real clean and accurately, real consistently with the results. It's pretty nice. Okay, looks like we got just a couple more seconds here. We're going to pull it off here, stick it on the collection plate, and get an actual weight. See what this OG Kush did. You can see the puck. Once you get a little rosin on the tip of the everything tool, it sticks to itself. It'll kind of roll right off with it. You don't want to let it get too cold. When you run it too fast, it'll chip off and you'll lose some, so be careful of that. But if you time it just right, it's real easy to collect. Pretty good yield off this stuff. Yeah. Yeah, this guy takes a lot of pride in what he does. I know he has his whole family working in his grow over there. Ooh, buttery. All right, let's see what we got working here. Okay. Okay guys, you can see it almost 26% from this OG Kush. Nice job, props to the grower on this one. Let me press it out into a puck. Let's see what we got here. Just to the crease, because that's where it'll squeeze out. And you want to make sure your parchment is clear of the plates on all the sides. It means it bleeds out all the sides of the plates. You can turn it on, but we don't need to for this. Let's go here. Stick it back in. There you go. So from 14 grams of flour, here's the puck, to 3.6 grams of rosin. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe. Appreciate your support out there. Till next time, guys.